Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So Friday was a very bullish bar. So if you look at that bar there, a nice long tail, big juicy engulfing bar breaking out of a flag and finally moving averages coming up for a cross. They haven't crossed just yet, but they are getting there. The other thing we just need to bear in mind is the week bar was pretty interesting as well. That was a clear break and close above the bearish structure that formed from the previous week, and the best one is the monthly, because that is a piercing bar of note, which basically just indicates a bigger move to the upside. So if you look at this on the monthly, there is the one level and there is the other level, and that is a monthly flag, monthly move up, monthly consolidation. We're looking for some form of a move to the upside right now. So with all of that in place, obviously what we're looking for is opportunities to buy, but we don't want to take it off the daily. So there's the first bit of structure that we can see, and what I do want to do here is just take these levels here. So there is definitely some consolidation here at 15,686. So a retest of that is definitely something we need to pay attention to, and then also a little bit further down, and I'm just going to use, well, there's three levels, so let's use this one. Yeah, this is a bit of a mess, but anyway, so let's do this on the hour so you can see it really clearly. Right, so Friday was a bit of a really big up and day day. You can see sort of started off with red, then look at this, sellers coming off the top of the channel, broke the channel to the downside. Remember what I say, I often say it, break of a bullish flag in the wrong direction has a 25% chance of continuing. The higher probability is that it's going to go up, so you still want to be trading long until the retest fails, then you've got the confirmation. So at the moment we had the pin bar here, and then it was one-way traffic all the way up. So I would be looking for opportunities to buy into this, not at the level we are now though, with the oscillators like they are. So drop to the 15-minute, probably the best thing to do, and pay attention to your structure. And it's going to be a really messy structure, but that's because the last couple of months we've been really messy and sideways. So this is the first area here, 15,722. If we can hold that, that would be a pretty interesting opportunity. And I'm just going to add another diagonal here because there's a bit of a flag here, as you can see. Let me just do that. So there's your flag. So obviously a retest of the break, that would be down here at the structure at 15,686. So those are the two levels that I would be paying attention to. If they break, then we'll probably be more than likely going to come and test this level down here at 15,627. So let's just delete what we don't need. We don't need that, and we won't need this. So those are the three levels that I'm paying attention to. Also just bear in mind that you do have a pretty big inverse head and shoulders here as well. So there's your shoulder, there's your big head, and there's your shoulder. This is the neckline right here. So 15,722 is the neckline, and you've got a move equivalent to the up move of Friday that you can look forward to. So yeah, looking for opportunity to buy. Just wait for the structure. So it's either here at 15,722 or alternatively here at 15,686. That's definitely opportunities. There are little gaps to the downside here, which is a bit of a worry, and that's around 15,627. So for me, you're looking for something in this area. It's not going to be exact because of the chaos that you've got to the left. So you're looking for structure to the left. As soon as you get price coming back in there, well worth taking a trade. Problem is your stop is kind of below one of these three tails here, or even below the low of Friday. So quite a wide stop at this stage. Otherwise, if you do find structure up here, in other words, we sort of find support at 15,722, or even come back in here and find support here and then start bouncing, there's a good opportunity to get long with a tight stop below this structure, and then you are looking for the measured move. So measured move right now, well, let's just be conservative here. Why I say conservative, you had the move up, then you had consolidation here. So you see there's a consolidation there. So rather be conservative with it, and that should take us up to 15,833. If I just look on the 3 hour to see what exactly is there. A little bit of structure to the left. Just want to look at the daily. Yeah, you can see quite a bit of structure. That would make sense. So that would be the measured move to the upside for today. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.